how to connect the sports Bluetooth wireless earphones or headphones with a OnePlus phone running either Android 11 or 12. Let's go ahead and get started. So before using the Bluetooth on your phone, you'll want to get these into pairing mode. And in order to do this here, first, if your headphones look something similar to this here, you'll look for the button that has the power on and off icon or the call icon here. And assuming you have some battery life in it, while it's in the off state, you'll hold this down and don't let go until you see the blue-red blinking light. So let's go ahead and do that. We'll do that now. Hold it down. And then you'll start to see this here. When you see this, you can let it go. That means the earphones are now in a pairing mode state. And on your OnePlus phone, you'll want to use the quick panel access to get into the main Bluetooth settings. So you can use this here. Hold it down until you find Bluetooth. When you find the Bluetooth, go ahead and long press it. You'll be taken to this section here. For some other OnePlus phones, you'll see the option that says pair new device. If you see that, tap on that. That should turn on the Bluetooth settings. And of course, it's going to start searching for nearby devices. And when it does that, you just wait for the name of your wireless Bluetooth earphones. So whether you have one that looks similar to this or this one exactly, you'll read the manual guide to know the exact name of your earphones, okay? And when you see it, you can just tap on it. It'll say pairing for you. You'll get this request here. You can choose to check the box or not, and just go with pair, and you will see that it's going to be connected. And to know if it's fully connected, you'll notice the blue-red lights are no longer blinking. You'll just get this occasional blinking blue light, but that's about it. And that's that. Like, sub, thanks for watching.